So if you look right here, you can see $8 right there in your PayPal account. If you got an Amazon gift card, you're going to be making $10. Right down here, G codes, you're going to be making $10. So this is going to be a video explaining to you how to earn free PayPal money instantly. This is a Make Money Online video, so make sure you stay tuned and you keep watching. Now, if you don't have a PayPal account, I highly recommend you sign up for one, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So don't try to skip ahead and miss out on the most important things, because as I said, I'm going to show you how to make or earn up to $8 or $10 instantly free in your PayPal account. So you don't need any money for you to sign up for this. This, I do believe, can work worldwide. If it doesn't work worldwide, I know most of you cannot sign up for PayPal. So if you know someone who can sign up for PayPal for you, I highly recommend. But you can always check alternatives, and I have a bunch of great videos for you. So check it out here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you want to be a part of what I have going on, because sometimes I give out prizes, cash prizes, and gift cards, that's what I'm going to start doing moving forward, because I just hit 5,000 subscribers. I highly recommend you engage, start commenting in the comment section, and make sure you engage in the community area, because I always post in here who are the lucky winners. So make sure you stay tuned and you do that. And for the people that subscribe to the YouTube channel, every time I create a brand new video, you're going to be the first one to know. So that way I'm going to send you a notification so you can watch the video before everybody else. All right. So that's the good thing about subscribing. So let's dive into the video. Earn anywhere from $8 to $10 free instantly in your PayPal account. So let's jump right into the video. So the website that I'm going to be talking about is a website that is called Crowdology. Now you can share your opinion. You can earn an extra $10. So you can earn up to $10 every time you complete a survey, right? So these people are willing to pay you. Why? Because they're looking for a lot of people that will give them feedback and honest opinions whenever you take surveys. So you can make some extra money on the side. You can treat yourself or do the things that you want. So all you have to do is just sign up. You receive your survey. You do the survey. You get paid. Now, the surveys take anywhere from like 2 minutes to 15 minutes as listed on here. So it's easy to fit in your day. It's not going to take up too much of your time, and you could just do it over and over again. But here's the thing. Right? Make sure when you do these surveys that you give the information, and you give a lot of information. Now, most people, they will do a survey and they will say, well, this is good or this is bad, or like give a detailed explanation of why it's bad, like why it's good, why do you recommend it? Because they're working with large companies and they're looking for honest feedback. So just take your time and just fill it out properly, so that way you can get more surveys, you can get more things for you to do, so you can bump it up. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video, because people have been reaching out to me and they say, well, I need something that don't cost any money. And I said, all right, I'm going to make sure I do some research. And I came up with this, and it's highly recommended. There's a lot of people been using it. So make sure you check it out. So you can earn money from day one. And right here, they're starting anywhere from like 40 cents to like up to $10. So 40 cents, yes, it's not a lot, but it does add up. So most times you're probably sitting down and you sit down and you're watching TV for like 2-3 hours, while you could do some surveys, and you can earn up to $10 every time you do that. So that's some free PayPal money that you can make. And once the balance reaches $8, you could just withdraw the money right away. So most companies or most places, you got to get $100, you got to get $500, you got to get 50, you got to get 20. Here, you get 8, and there's money that you can withdraw. So I know it adds up, and real quick, you can start to accumulate that funds where you can do something nice for yourself. So you can win some prizes as well as an added bonus, because they're giving away lots and lots of prizes. So if you want to come and check out the FAQs, the frequently asked questions, a lot of people always want to find out, and that's how I am too. I make sure I do research and do all this. So what is a market research? Market research is an activity gathering information about consumers' needs and preference. Just like I said, they're working with large companies, and these companies need your opinion. So the more opinion they get from different people from all over the world, it's better they're going to work and they can serve their customers better. So what is Crowdology. Crowdology is like the fastest growing panel where members complete paid surveys for market research. So come through here and you can read up more about it. Feel free. Rewards, payment, security, signing up, and as soon as you ready to go and you read all this stuff, click on where it says sign up. So once you sign up on here, so if I zoom in, this is like sign up, complete surveys, you earn cash, you get paid to do surveys in 3 quick steps. So that's the good thing. So you register by entering your details below, you activate your account because they're gonna send you an email for you to activate it. And as soon as you activate it, then you'll be well on the way. So you can start completing surveys, you cash in, and as I said, as low as like $8. So the process is pretty easy. You put your first name, you put your email address, you repeat your email address again, password, you create a password, make sure you create a password, you're male or female, put your date of birth and your zip code. So once you put your zip code, you're in the bag and you put all the information. Now, I don't know the zip code. I don't know if this is, I don't think this is only for US though, but you could check it out. I'm not quite sure 100%, but based on the reviews that I'm getting, there's people that are doing this all over. So feel free to check it out and start completing some surveys. Now, the reason why, as I said, I want to do this because there's so many people reach out to me and they want to, do some surveys, they want to make some money. If you want to learn how to make more money, I highly recommend you check out some more of my videos down here, right? Because I have tons of videos. Like I got videos on ClickBank, on Google, you can sign up, right? And you could come down here, right? Create videos about Facebook marketing. And there's a lots and lots of information. So once you're on this channel, the methods that I share with you, these are methods that are still working up to this day. Because sometimes I was like, I will, like today I was, I was in the couch and I was, I did a couple surveys on my phone because I was just sitting there anyways. So I just use my time wisely. And most people think that, well, surveys don't pay as much. Well, yeah, it doesn't pay a lot of money, but it will add up. So, and this is TMI where they say too much information. Like sometimes, like I'm in the bathroom and I grab my phone, to be honest, and I'm like, listen, I'm gonna just do some surveys while I'm in here. So I know that's too much information. It probably gross out some of my new subscribers. But if you're part of the family, you will realize that that's how I am. I don't hold back anything. I just be real and just being honest because there's too many people on here that are like faking it and be like, oh, cut video and stop here. To be like, oh, let's take 3 and let's take like here. I don't edit my videos. Eventually I will, but I just keep it raw and just get straight to the point. All right. I appreciate each and every one of you. See you on the next video and bye for now. Peace.